Mr. Miller, thank you so much for having me out to your farm today. And if you would like to maybe introduce yourself and your farm to the YouTube audience.
Okay, this is Bernard Miller, and this is Jamaica Farms. We grow just about every type of tropical fruit there is, and we specialize in stuff from the Caribbean.
Okay, awesome. How big is the farm, roughly?
20 acres.
20 acres, okay. And you've been establishing your plants here for about how long, roughly?
This is the middle of the third year.
Middle of the third year, okay.
We are very new, but most of what we have are grafted plants. They start to produce within 2 years.
Okay, okay.
So what you see here are sugar apples. There are about 3,000 plants right here, and the majority of them have fruits on them right now.
Wow.
They are between 1.5 to 2 years old.
Okay, okay. And do they have a season, or is it sporadic?
Yes, their season starts in about 2 months.
Okay.
And it goes on all the way until November, December.
Okie doke. And what type bananas do you have here?
We got a different type of banana.
Like the UN of bananas, huh?
I don't even know how many varieties, but just about everything you see here is a different variety.
Okay.
These are what in Jamaica we call them Chinese bananas.
Okay.
Very small, are dotty bananas.
Okay.
They grow very small. We normally grow them to ripen them for eating.
Okie dokie.
Yeah. And then we have plantain and just about every variety that I could find. I have them shipped to me or brought in from other countries. So we have about every 8 feet around almost the entire perimeter of the property.
Okay.
Yeah, bananas.
I've seen this before where you'll chop a stem down and then it'll shock and do this kind of weird thing with the fruit.
Yes,
I've got a video. Isn't that funny? Yeah.
We chopped it off so that we'll get the young ones to come up.
And it just went ahead and started making some fruit.
Yep.
So, got stressed out.
I'm hoping I'll get to taste that.
Yeah, they look like they're going to make it.
Yeah.
Now, with regard to the plantains, I know that they're rare as hen's teeth in Florida as far as buying a plant in, say, a 3-gallon container. Will you eventually be selling plantains?
Yes, we will.
Okay.
The issue for us is we are not sure exactly what each one is yet.
Okay.
So we're waiting for it to fruit, and then
you
after
can distinguish.
Fruit, then we can, we'll label them at that point in time.
Okay, awesome. Because I know I check availability sheets sometimes, and they're just that you used to be able to get them. But
I got plantains from Puerto Rico, and I brought some in from Jamaica.
Okay. Now, in another video, you had mentioned that you have a penchant, or you enjoy dwarf coconut types, and so I see you have a row of coconuts here. Yeah, that runs all the length back to the road.
100 feet of it, I got them planted every 20 feet, and then around on the other side also.
Okay, and what are these intermingled with the coconuts?
These are black sapote.
Okay.
Sometimes they call them
like chocolate pudding fruit. Okay, okay. They look wonderful.
Yeah, they love water. Notice that they're almost
into the ditch. Yeah.
And they do very, very well. Look at that. Beautiful.
Now I'm a palm nerd.
1 year old.
I'm sorry. This is just 1 year? Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Now I was going to ask, I'm a palm nerd. Is there a type name to the dwarf? Is it, like a
Malaysian
dwarf?
Malaysian
Okay.
Dwarf.
All right. Thank you.
That's what it's known. That's the name known here.
The common name for it here. Okay.
We have our own name for it.
Okay. Cool. All right. I'll pause here and then we'll pick up in another segment. I have some sugar cane here, Mr. Miller.
Yes, we have the crayfish sugar cane, which are the striped one. Then we have the purple sugar cane, the black ones, and the black and the green.
Okay.
So we have the 3 popular varieties.
And you were telling me before I hit record that these are all they're intended to be eaten out of hand.
That's correct.
Okay. All right.
As soon as it starts to rain, they'll start to grow.
They'll flush out.
Yeah.
Nice. Now, do you have a feeding program for them? Do you supplement?
Yes.
Okay.
There is a hose and drippers.
Oh, it's like a fertigation.
Fertilized every week.
Oh, okay. I was going to say.
A very light amount of fertilizer every week. You can't see the hoses, but when we turn, there it is right there.
Okay.
When we turn the water on, and it's automatic, it comes on every day.
Okay.
All of this will get water. Right now, we're just trying to water it just enough to survive. We're not trying to grow it.
Okay.
Because we have to use diesel to do that.
Okay.
There we go, bananas again.
More bananas.
All the way.
That's a beautiful sight, though, man.
Yeah.
Flanking bananas everywhere, and then amongst all your sugar apples over here. Nice.
So we could walk across.
Okay, you lead the way, and then we'll pick up in another section here. Yeah, here we're seeing some fruit that'll be ready pretty soon. We're calling this one Miller's Choice right here. Mr. Miller went ahead and said he's going to put his name on that one because it's like nice and big already. So, but in these taller trees, we're seeing some fruit coming on.
Yeah, most of these are going to have fruit.
Okay. A Geffner Adamoya. Okay.
Yeah, and it does have some fruits on it.
Okay.
There's one right there.
Oh yeah. Let me see if I can.
Say if you point on it, it falls off.
Oh, so you just don't want to look at it too long or too intensely.
Just don't point your finger at it.
I had a Geffner years ago and I killed it, but
it's moist, so that's not the problem. It's the heat.
Okay.
Intense heat.
Okay, because that's a hybrid, right? But one of them comes from elevation. One of the parents, if I remember,
correct.
And so they may be expressing some of that sensitivity to.
Yes, the Geffner tend to do a little better down here.
Okay.
These don't. I think this is a PPC or Lisa. Let's see.
Okay.
This is a Piersley.
Okay. Piersley.
Yeah. Redo these labels. Yeah, they don't like, they just don't like so much heat, it appears.
Okay.
And then we have Lisa. What's this one? That's not a PPC. And then we have sweet tambourine. And after that, we're just looking at more sugar apples.
Okay.
At least this section of the farm concentrates on Anonas. That bed over there is also Anonas, and the one after it also.
Okay.
Anonas.
Okay. Are these Aspondius of some kind right here?
Those are June plum.
June plum. Okay. Is that Mumban, I think, or something? Or
these are the ones that the fruits are very large.
oh, okay.
3 fruit weighs about a pound.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So those are the ones. Those actually came from Jamaica also.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So they're growing.
Okay. Sugarcane started.
And then we have all those are yams right there.
Oh, nice.
And some of them are the purple yam. Those are the yucca.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Those are what we're gonna plant between the bananas.
Okay.
Yeah. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, about 500 more sugar apples.
Can never have enough sugar apples. Is this an avocado here?
Yes, that's an avocado.
Okay.
I ate the fruit and planted the seed.
Oh, okay.